Tonight we had reservations at Tony's Steakhouse. Watch me try and eat this little anniversary gift they left us in one bite while I tell you about the dinner. As soon as we walked in, they had live jazz music going. The ambiance was so perfect in there. I loved it. Espresso martini was amazing. And how you impressed me is your bread and your butter. And that was freaking good. The bourbon butter was delicious. So I love crab. Whole reason we came here was this big crab cake. Everybody talks about it. We had to try it. Biggest crab cake I've ever had. Delicious. Give me 14 of them. Again, the espresso martinis, they got that down. I got the pasta and he got the sea bass. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of panicked. I wish I would have got a steak. We're at a steakhouse. Normally every year for our anniversary we go on vacation, but we're kind of tripped out. We decided to stay home this year and do a staycation and a date night to celebrate. My honey helped me down the steps. We headed over a few blocks to a comedy show to end the night. And one thing you guys are always going to get from me is a mirror pic.